Welcome to the another episode of Abstract Thesis series. In this series, we are digging deep into the Power BI concepts. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for our new video. Hello and welcome to another video on Abstract Thesis series. And in today's video, we are going to discuss a newly released feature where we can add the complete Power BI content into the PowerPoint. So let's go ahead and try that out. So we go to PowerPoint and I don't see any option here with me to get the Power BI inside the PowerPoint. So I'm going to add that plugin first of all. So I say get add-ins and I search for Power BI. So this option was there in the insert tab, and in the insert tab you have the plugin option, and then I say Microsoft Power BI is something which I need. I click on this and I say add, and it asks continue. It may ask for a login. I have got the Power BI plugin and I want to now add a Power BI report. So let's go to the insert and insert in the add-ins. Now I can see Microsoft Power BI plugin here, which I've already added using the add other add-ins and plugins. So let me put it there, and now it is asking for a report URL from Power BI here. So I have already opened my report here from Power BI, and let me see if I can directly use this or I need a share URL. So I'm putting it in here, and let me say insert. And you can see, because I already logged in using the same user into the PowerPoint, so it is now not asking me to do, and I can make it a little bit bigger. And it is showing me the name here. I can click here and it's opening a pop-up. It should ideally open it on Power BI service. So that's there. Then you have data options here, refresh, filter. Then you have add-ins option, clear data, learn. You can open this arrow and then you can say select, delete, reload, attach debugger, security info and all. Now one of the option which is there here, which is really interesting, is show as saved image. So let's say if I want to make it a static, so I can use that show as saved image. Okay, so this is one option, and then there is a down arrow key, collapse the toolbar, and then if I collapse the toolbar, it shows me much bigger version. Okay, this is connect to Power BI icon which we have already used. Okay, so now you see even this is not visible, and then I can see it in on a full screen mode like this. Okay, and let's see how I interact with it. So see, the moment I'm doing interaction, the other visuals are changing. So this is complete Power BI experience in the presentation mode now. Okay, so the same experience which you get in Power BI, you are getting the same experience out here. This is the beauty about that. So let's come out of the presentation mode, and let me come here and let me look at more options. So let me say show as saved image. So the moment I does it, it becomes an image. It's no more dynamic, it's just a static image. So whatever position I mean, like I have opened the filter and that position I have to save image, so it has become image like that. Now if I want one more, I can add it one more like that. So try out this plugin and let us know your feedback on the same. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Keep watching, keep asking questions in comments, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for new videos. Thank you.